What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Despite the rain and them trying to close the track on us, we're still here. See, we've got a full house today, and while I've got him standing here, I've got to shout out my man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Gearhead 704 right here. If you guys are not subscribed to Gearhead 704, you need to do it. I've been meaning to do a shout out for him forever, but I knew he was coming, so I had to save it for Purse.
Waiting for Purse. I appreciate that, man.
And in a minute, we're going to go over and see that car.
Definitely check it out. I killed a few bugs on the way down, a few million, so give me a break on that. Yeah. Edit it out for me. If you
okay, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. So we'll edit that out. But guys, yeah, we're here. We got Ken here.
What's going on, guys?
I mean, look, we got everybody out here. This is going to be epic, and we just got started. You can see the sun, and of course the booth is set up right here.
I know, that's what everybody said.
And there is the booth lady right there.
Hey.
She's killing it, as always. Shout out again, title sponsor, National Parts Depot. But guys, here it is.
There you go.
Let's get it rolling.
We all inspire each other.
That's right. That's exactly right.
We all inspire each other.
All right, so we've got Brutal here.
Yes.
We got the Foxcast, and we got the Gearhead. There it is, guys, right there. Go
to the
subscribe.
bottom. Poor man.
Hey, you have to subscribe.
Oh, he already gave
more
a
than
shout.
just this.
Exactly.
I mean, just the fact that he did that.
Exactly. Poor man advertising.
Right.
Dude, we were at Foxtoberfest this year. He had it wrote on the back of his shirt.
Yes.
Literally, with a Sharpie marker.
That's great. That is great.
So, all right, Brutal, what do you think?
Man.
I mean, yeah.
I absolutely love it. Well, you know, it's like we talked about. He decided to not go with a complete clone.
Right.
He wanted to change it up. I think it's a good mix.
It looks fantastic.
I love the color.
I do too. Our Dream killed it, man.
The only thing we have to do now.
Yeah, we need an altitude adjustment.
Just a little bit of that.
See, this is what we need right here. See this?
Parking lot. You want to do that?
Good, bad. Good, bad.
You might get a jacket. Yeah. Let's cut the springs. Let's do it today.
But he's got the Dakota in there.
All right.
Got the cluster in there, looking good.
Take a look at these door jambs, buddy.
I'm sorry.
They did a good job on that.
Wow.
That's a
jammed
proper,
out.
That's a proper paint job. We're not going to open my door. That's how you do it. This is.
And this don't lean.
Looks good.
Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you.
Good.
Very, very nice.
Good job.
You do not see the blue interior very much.
You don't?
You just don't see it.
especially mixed with the white, and that's crazy.
Now, all my subscribers want to see a white top on this. A lot of them. I like the black.
I'm not going against your subscribers, so I'll keep my mouth shut.
No, I want to know because I actually kind of don't want. Well, I'm gonna do what I want. Anyway,
You exactly.
I kind of like the black.
I love the black.
I don't know, guys. Drop a comment below. North Carolina blue. I'm sure all the Clemson guys are gonna hate on it, but and the Duke guys are gonna hate on it. But I mean, come on, a Carolina blue Fox body. I know. And he's got the whole documentary of him painting the car on his YouTube channel. So stop by and seriously give him a sub. He's doing work. Does lots of does regular video. Sick car. All right, guys. So the way we've got it set up this year, we've got all the cars from the channel just kind of lined up here. I'm calling it swap row, but of course we got Corey's car, and Brian's, Alex's, and Dover's. So basically, every car you've seen built on the channel and driven and everything else on the channel is right here. And then look at all these famous people. I mean, God. It's like and then see, Alex always walks away when I come up with a camera. Every time.
I think I got used to it. Huh?
Yeah, exactly. I was telling people back in the day when it was just me and you in that little bitty shop, and then all of a sudden here we are. It's freaking nuts. But,
Come from Iowa.
I know. Michigan, you came from Iowa, and then the one guy in the black GT,
Georgia.
yeah, he's from Iowa. We got Georgia, Oklahoma, and this is after everybody's been looking at the weather saying, oh, I'm not coming because it's gonna rain. So, but yeah, we're lined out all the way to the 8th mile down there. Yeah, I know. I wish it was open. And Philip is actually out today. Hasn't seen light, and it's been a while.
It needs a good cleaning. I give it somewhat cleaning.
Somewhat cleaning. Looks good to me. All right, y'all. So as always, my man Nick Strong, Mustangs of the Mid-South, always brings a crew up from Memphis. I mean, look, just basically finished the entire second row of cars. I mean, my God, and they still coming. Still coming. So Nick, what's up with the notch, dude?
Man,
it's looking
that's my baby
good.
there, you know.
God bless.
Been a long process.
Yep.
It was pretty nice when I got it, but then of course, you know, it broke my wallet, so
Yeah, exactly.
just had something done front to back, you know, top to bottom.
Oh, there's nothing better than a black notch, especially on Celine's, dude.
Yeah, no doubt.
God bless.
But I bought those wheels for my 03.
Oh yeah.
And you know, put them on there. They look good on the 03, but like I was, you know, I never can make up my mind. So
Right.
I was like, put them on the notch. I'm like, that's it.
Yeah.
As soon as they hit the ground, I'm like, yeah, that'll be it.
Yep. I love it, dude.
That's
But
the beauty
again,
of, you know, that's the beauty when you have a 5-low swap box. You can
do anything,
like
swap wheels
yeah.
and all that. Yeah, it's freaking awesome. There's a clean one right there.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Good looking notch. He's trying to flex on you now.
That's clean. Yeah. You know, the one I had before this was white. So
That's right,
I got
that's right.
I got a real sweet spot for a white notch too. Like Dover's is a dream car.
Yeah, for real. So that is what is up, guys. We are packed out here. It's supposed to be raining and nobody's supposed to be here, but we're still packed. So. All right, so just like last year, This is like flashback to 2018.
Yeah.
Bronte's over here killing the grill.
We've been doing this for a while, man.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what we do.
So we know that you've got this, and that's why we just give you all the cash. You just do your
We
thing.
get it going, man.
God bless. What we got on this grill here?
Burgers on there.
Okay, so we got the burgers there. Oh yeah, and the hot dogs. We've got the Harold sauce going on, I'm sure. There's a Harold sauce right there. So we feeding the crew over here. You got Freddie over there, he's hanging out.
We did foiler racing.
And then Harold somewhere. Harold must have went to the bathroom or something. Oh, he went to get changed. Yeah, we're definitely low on change.
Right.
But all right, Bron.
Turn out awesome event.
Dude, I've been talking to everybody. What do you think this would have been if the weather hadn't shown 100% chance of rain?
It's been epic.
I mean, oh my God.
It would have been crazy.
I think we got more people than last year.
Yeah. This is probably double the crowd.
It's nuts.
It's crazy.
And we were not expecting this.
No, even with the chance of rain.
Yeah.
So, I'm still excited.
I know.
I'm having a good time, as usual.
All we got to do is say, just wait till next year. Just wait till next year. All right, guys, what a day. Rain held off for a while. Daryl actually showed up. He actually showed up. Oh, hold on. I got a raindrop. Got a raindrop. Daryl showed up. Man.
What up, buddy? Nice to meet you, man.
Looks good, dude. How's she running?
We're pretty good so far. It's
Yeah.
kind of on the base too, but still, you know, yeah, good.
Hell yeah. Love, man, I wish we could have raced today.
Yeah.
Damn it. Holy moly.
Catch me drilling?
Yeah. Yeah, we're kind of getting hurt with the weather here, y'all. We still got a pretty decent crowd here. Got all the cars there. Everybody's hiding in the tents now. Y'all ain't gonna melt, hell. Hey, I see I missed it. Thanks, Daryl. No better way to send it off. Why? Because we didn't get to race today. Everybody just kind of hanging out. Got all the cars. All the food. Man. And more foxes and just like everything you can freaking imagine. Take it out. Guys, I gotta tell you, even though the rain, basically ruined this year's event, we still had more people than we did last year, if that kind of tells you anything about what we were actually gonna do this year. I'm excited and excited for the future of this event because we're gonna keep going and having all kinds of wicked cars out here and man, don't even know. All right, guys, so this is kind of where we're at now. Everybody's clearing out. The rain, it did set in, but man, I think everybody that came out and rained all in. Just, man, what a time.
Oh, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Had a great time over here with Caleb from Foxcast and everyone else. So thank you all for showing up. As you can see, we got a little bit of weather here, so
Yeah.
we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm going to do my outro. He's going to do his outro. You might get to see both of them.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's do that.
You want to do yours first? Or
All
you
right,
want me
yeah,
to?
I'll do
Okay,
mine.
go ahead. Here we
As
go.
always, thanks for watching.
All right, everybody, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and go subscribe to Brutal too.
Yeah,
Why not,
subscribe to him. Foxcast Media, baby.
Later.
We're out.